We have successfully provisioned Cloud9 from our AWS account. Let's review the storage and also understand how to increase the storage if at all it is required. Especially if you want to use this instance to learn data engineering skills, it is very important to understand how to increase the storage so that you can upload the required datasets to practice. That being said, once you are in the terminal, you should be able to run this command called as df-h. It will give us the storage details. If you look at the storage details, it have 10 GB overall. By default, we'll be provisioning the Cloud9 instance with 10 GB storage. As Cloud9 is nothing but an interface on top of EC2, we should be able to play with the storage on EBS volumes associated with the EC2 instance, and we should be able to increase to higher number. Let's try to increase the storage to 32 GB. We'll also understand how to validate whether it is increased or not. In this case, first you have to go to EC2 console. You need to ensure that the appropriate instance is selected as part of the EC2 console. Here you can see that I have selected the EC2 instance related to DE lab demo. You can see the details here. Once you ensure that you have selected this, you can scroll down, go to the storage here, scroll up, click on this to go to the associated volume with respect to this EC2 instance. As there is no name, in this case I'm giving the name as DE lab demo. Now you can see that the size is 10 GB. To increase the size of this volume, you can go to actions, you can say modify volume, then you can increase it to whatever size you want to increase it to. Decreasing might be a challenge, but increasing might be straightforward. Decreasing the volume might be a challenge, but increasing should be straightforward. Here you just have to specify the higher size than what we have now. In this case, I am specifying it as 32. Then I can click on modify. I can also change the volume type to cut down the costs. Instead of using SSD, we can go with magnetic also. But for now, I am leaving it as SSD. Now I can click on modify, then say yes, then close. It will take care of modifying the size of the volume. It will be increased immediately. If you are not seeing the appropriate size here, you can click on this to refresh. Then you will be seeing the size here. We can also validate by going to the Cloud9 terminal here. Now we should be able to run df-h command to actually get the size. As of now, it is still 10 GB only. However, if you go to EC2 instances here, if you choose the appropriate instance and then say instance state reboot instance, once it is rebooted, the size will be increased to 32 GB. Let's wait until it is restarted completely. Then we will run the command df-h again to confirm that the size is increased as per our expectations. Now the instance is rebooted. You should be able to run the command called as df-h and hit enter. Now you can see that size is 31 GB here, which means it is increased as per our expectations. This is how you should be able to increase the size of the volume associated with our EC2 instance, which is associated with our Cloud9 instance. If you are planning to use your Cloud9 instance to practice data engineering skills, make sure you increase the size at least up to 32 GB so that you don't run into no space left on device issues. Even if you do not extend now, at a later point in time, whenever you run into that issue, you should be able to increase the size and then you should be able to use it to practice for learning the data engineering skills.